Cosmetic is the word always related with the girls, but nowadays boys too are very particular about their look. When we talk about look, then beauty is the word always come first in the mind. Beauty with a bright and shining smile. Hold on, we are talking about bright and broad smile. Then teeth are the things always noticed by the people first. One should concern about the teeth who are concerned about their look. And this is the time when cosmetic dentistry comes. I am Dr. Tapish Garg, doing cosmetic dentistry from last 12 years. I have experienced the difference what my patient told after getting the cosmetic treatment. Today I am talking about cosmetic restoration or tooth color restoration, that is composites. Restoration is the way which replaces the carious part of the tooth or a fractured crown. The major property of the restoration material is to provide the strength of the tooth with the usual functions. In the modern dentistry, we have a lot of materials with a high quality of strength and which are truly aesthetic. Composite is the material which fulfill all the desires of the perfect smile and aesthetic. This is also known as a light cure material or a tooth color material. Composites are likely to use to treat midline diastema, that is the gap between the upper front teeth. Number 2, when there is a incisal fracture of upper interior tooth. Number 3, carious tooth. Number 4, composite lamination. This is usually done to cover the slight yellowish tooth to make a bright smile. These are the areas where we do the composite restoration to create a bright and shine smile. I always prefer to do the dental treatment with the cosmetic manner. I always suggest my patient to get a dental treatment with the cosmetic look. This is Dr. Tapish signing off now with my few treatment done in the clinic. See you in the next video. Thank you.